Good day. My name is Lionel Grobler. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Pretoria, South Africa. I currently work at Cottonseed Enterprises, where I'm a cotton plant operator and a general farm maintenance foreman, which consists of repairing fences, welding, major and minor services on tractors and trucks, forklifts and TLBs. I'm also a forklift operator and a TLB operator, and I maintain all the farm vehicles. My mechanical experiences: I worked 4 years at Toyota as a general technician, doing major and minor services on pickups, cars, and trucks, suspension repairs, clutch replacements, gearbox repairs, and also diagnostics and wire repairs. My farming experiences are: I've cultivated a field with various farming implements, not the best, but it was working. And we planted garlic, and we did uh, the irrigation systems, sprinkler irrigation systems. And my dad had a horticultural farm where we planted cucumbers, spinach, and tomatoes. We were responsible for erecting all the structures, planting, pruning, harvesting, packing, and distributing to the market and clients. Um, and we were also installing drip irrigation. We were repairing the pumps. We did everything from scratch. With this video, I would like the opportunity to be able to work on your farm. I really believe I can be an asset to your business, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for your time and consideration. Have a good day.